Imagine, if you will, a classroom of the future. What does it look like? Who is at the helm? Is it a human teacher or an artificial intelligence entity? As we delve into the dawn of this new year, let's explore this intriguing intersection of education and technology. Traditionally, education has been an inherently human endeavor. The teacher, a knowledgeable guide, imparts wisdom to the students. This system, while effective, has its limitations. It requires a one-size-fits-all approach, with a single teacher trying to cater to a diverse group of students with varying abilities and learning styles. Now, imagine a classroom where learning is personalized, where the pace, style, and content are tailored to each student's unique needs. This is the promise of AI-driven education. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we can create a learning environment that adapts to each student, fostering a deeper understanding and a love for learning. But what does this mean for the role of the teacher? Fear not, for the human touch is irreplaceable. Teachers will not become obsolete, but their roles will evolve. They will become facilitators, mentors, and guides, rather than just transmitters of information. Their focus will shift from rote learning to fostering critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills that are uniquely human and cannot be replicated by AI. Artificial intelligence will also help students navigate their career paths. With AI, students can explore various career options, understand the skills required, and receive guidance on achieving their career goals. This will lead to a more informed and effective workforce, tailored to the needs of the future. So, what do teachers need to do to adapt to this change? They need to embrace it. They need to learn how to use these new tools to enhance their teaching and their students' learning. They need to shift their mindset from being the sole source of knowledge to being facilitators of learning. In summary, the advent of AI in education promises a revolution. It offers a personalized, adaptive learning environment that caters to each student's unique needs. It transforms the role of the teacher from a transmitter of information to a facilitator of learning. And it helps students navigate their career paths, equipping them with the skills needed for the future. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, one thing is clear. The future of education is not a question of humans versus AI. It's about how humans and AI can work together to create a better, more effective education system for all.